Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you how I make this beautiful flower hanging decor with paper. So let's get started. You need some chart papers. I am using red color chart paper and white color chart paper, some pearls, seed beads, scissor, needle and thread. First, I am going to cut this white sheet into a small square pieces. Now cut the leaf shape from the side that is we folded, just like this. Do the same with red color paper. Now open it and make a small hole on the middle of the flower with the help of needle and sponge as shown. Now open the fold and do as shown with the help of open scissor. To make this decor, we need a lot of white and red color flower. Here's how I make a single row. At the bottom of the row, I am adding 10 white, 10 pink beads, 1 pearl and again 10 white beads. And I will give arrangement of the flowers in a row in description box, so you can check this. For making one row, I use 10 red colored flower and 22 white colored flower. The thread is about 170 cm and now I add glue at the one end of the thread and spread it as shown and let it dry so it can work as a needle. Now make a knot on another end of thread. Now I am adding 10 white color beads. Ten red color beads. 1 pearl, and again 10 white color beads. After adding beads, add red flower and 1 white bead. Leave some gap and make a knot, and repeat the same process. Do the same up to 5 red flower. Then alternately add 1 red flower and 1 white flower. Then continue the same process with white flower. I have made total 31 rows. It's totally depends on you that how many rows you want to make this decor. Now I am showing you how to add all the rows into one horizontal thread. Take a masking tape or any other tape, stick the both two ends. Make a knot up to 4 or 5 cm. Again knot the row to the horizontal thread. Cut the excess. Now do the same with all rows. And it's done. It looks so beautiful as a background or decor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more wonderful videos. And also share your wonderful thoughts and suggestions into a comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep crafting, keep creating. Bye.